Hey guys, welcome back, or not welcome back, welcome to the first video of Learn with Bhamras. Today we have a question here, question B, which asks us what is the solution to this problem. To find the solution to this problem, as you can tell, it's an inequality. First things first, let's just expand everything. So let's turn this into a nice general form. I just like to rewrite things because it's a little faster. So, for anyone who doesn't know, x minus 1 squared is actually just doing that. X times x is x squared. So minus 2x, because minus x, and then plus 1, minus 4. 0 is greater than or equal to, let's see, so let's take it out of the brackets. Okay, let's make this a little thinner. Greater than or equal to x squared minus 2x, and then plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So that is how it is looking so far. Then what we need to do is we need to factor this. So what I like to do is take everything to the other side of the equation, but keeping everything else the same. So this is how our equation looks like right now. And so all I did was flip the signs, and now we have it on this side. Now what you want to do is we will just, like I said earlier, factor this. So x squared, we need to find two numbers which when multiplied are equal to 3, but when added are equal to 2. Okay, so 1 and 3. Okay, there we go. So we can have minus 1 plus 3. Okay, or sorry, other way around. Minus 3 plus 1. Okay, and we can have minus 3 times 1. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's see. So minus 3x plus x. There we go. You're going to factor out the x from this. Oh, whoopsies. There's nothing to factor from here, so we can just keep it as it is. And remember, there is an imaginary 1 over here. Let's factor it. X minus 3, x plus 1. And if here we go, so now we're getting somewhere. We can do this two ways. We can do this the case analysis, or we can do this the other way. So I'm going to do this. Let's see, what do you want to do? We can do it anyway. So let's do it with the roots method. So what we can do is let's okay, so what you want to do now is that you know these values. Let's make a nice, oh, there we go, straighten that out. We know that we can have 3 and minus 1. Okay, and there's minus 1, there's 3. You know, those are our two amazing numbers. You need to test something here, test here, and test in between, and we need to see what's the right answer. First value, x is less than minus 1. Or here, x, greater than less than signs, so it has to be greater than minus 1, less than 3. Last but not least, x is greater than 3. Okay, so these are the values you can, of course, have. Okay, now let's make a nice chart. Oh, whoops. Let's make a nice chart. Okay, there's our chart. What you want to do now is just find a test point. Remember, make sure your test point is not an x-intercept. So x is, let's see, or we don't have to write x, we can just write TP for test point. Let's it can be any value which is under minus 1. I'll do u0. Number which is between minus 1 and 3. Oh, look at that. Well, do we want to use, we'll use 1 this time. All right, and oh, I just realized that it is not that. So okay, so we can use the values, any number under minus 1. That can be, let's say, minus 5. Number between minus 1 and 3, 0. Now value which is greater than 3, to 10. Yep. Now what we want to do is get our original equation, original equation is 0. 0 is, oh, well, let's just try to write this so I don't have to. Let's bring this, oh, okay, let's just bring this down there so we just have it so we can see it. Okay. So in this case, so 0 is greater than or equal to x minus 1 squared minus 4. Okay, we have a test point of minus 5, so let's put all of it in now. Minus 5 to minus 1 is minus 6. Okay, 6 times 6 is 36. Uh, 36 minus 4 is, there you go. So, is 0 greater than or equal to 32? Ooh, that doesn't sound right, does it? Okay, so what we want to do is we're going to create one more line here. We want to have this, just write false, or we want to write true or false, alright? So, this statement is false, okay? Because 0 is not greater than 32. Next one. Just keep doing this, greater than, okay? So, in this case, we're going to use 0. So, 0 minus 1 squared minus 4. 0, so what is minus 1 times minus 1 is 1. Minus 4. 1 minus 4. So, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Okay, is 0 greater than or equal to minus 3? Yes, that is true. Okay, and last but not least, we have this value, which is x is greater than 3. Okay, so we chose 10 for this. So, okay, open brackets of 10 minus 1 squared minus 4. What is 10 minus 1, everyone? Nice, 9 minus 4. 9 times 9 is, anyone know? Nice, 81. And 0 is greater than, so what is that? That is going to be 78, right? 78? No, 73, right? Yeah, 73, okay? Or 77, what am I saying? Okay, so that's going to be 77. Is 0 greater than or equal to 77? Oh, well, that is for sure false. And we know we are doing everything right so far as long as we have a false, true, false. If this was let's say a false, false, true, or true, true, false, or true, true, false, false, or whatever, you can have false, false, true, true. But yeah. So if you were doing something like that, you know it was off. Okay. Why did I erase that? Okay. So let's just bring this more down. Okay. We know now that we can. I like to write it like this. So x, okay, what do we know that x? We know that x is, well, we know that minus 1 x. Okay, we know that this is true and x is an element of real. All right, I'll just check my answers here, and let's see. Yes, we are correct. Okay, yeah. So so that is how you do it. And oh, whoops. Okay, so once you are done everything, what you want to do is don't forget to write it in a way so you can show it as a number line. What I like to write it like this, so x, okay? So we know that this statement up here is true. Okay? So what we can do now is write it all out. So don't forget that this has a really important sign. It's greater than equal to, right? So what you want to do is just basically copy it right from the top. Don't forget to put the greater than or equal to sign on each one, okay? And of course, x is an element of a real number, okay? So yeah, so thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.